Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech House. Today we are comparing Motorola Moto G 2026 and Moto G Play 2026. There is no much difference between these phones. Let's see this full video. First, compare the body features. Both two phones come with same size and weight. Next, compare display features. Both phones come with 6.7 inches IPS HD display with 120Hz refresh rate. Hardware features. Both two devices are powered by the MediaTek chipset. Camera features. Let's compare the battery features. Next, compare the sound and other features. We hope you have enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe.